Hello, my name is Matt Richardson. I'm an advisor for special projects and assignments with Echosec Systems, and today it is my pleasure to showcase for you a community-based grassroots conservation program that is powered by Echosec and its location-based insights. The specific program is called the Osprey Monitoring Program. In this program, we monitor local populations of osprey. Osprey are a large bird of prey which were once endangered and are now experiencing a strong recovery. So it is naturally in the interest of the Conservation Authority to monitor and help sustain and support the continued recovery of this species. How do we do it? I'm frequently asked, what's under the hood? What's the recipe? And it's really quite simple. We began by asking the public to simply take pictures and post on Twitter or Flickr from the location of the sighting with the keyword Osprey. And what we do from there, I will show you. I'll begin by narrowing our search area. And this will bring us to the general vicinity that we're wishing to monitor. Now the area that we are monitoring is rather large, so I'm going to zoom back just a bit, and now I am going to define the geofence. And here we are. You will begin to see the results populate, but I have one more step. I'm going to now add the keyword Osprey. And refine my search further. What we will see are posts that have the keyword Osprey, and in some cases, because of the image recognition system, photos of the birds themselves that maybe don't even have the keyword, which is great. So simple from here, I'm simply going to click the analytics button. And there are a variety of stats back here which could be compelling, but I'm going to direct us for today's purposes to the export function on the left, right here. And I'm going to download post locations, and into a separate file I'll download post links. The result will be an Excel file much like this. These are my locations and these are my actual posts right here. I'll point out that the publication ID, you can see that number here, automatically syncs, so there's no need to line them up. What we see here when I merge the files, so I'm going to merge my post locations and search links into one file. Longitude, latitude, the location with the link. This location automatically syncs up with this link, so we know that the posts and the images that we get are correctly located by default, so there's no modifications, which is a nice feature. Now I am going to go back here. Now, the challenge here was not everybody necessarily has access to the Echosec platform. So what I have done is within a free Google account, I will go here and create a new Fusion table. A Fusion table essentially is an Excel file which is within the Google environment. Once I've done so, I will be prompted to upload my Excel document. And once I have, this is what I see. So I can see my longitude, my latitude, my location, as well as the image that was posted from that location. And this is what we get. Now the great thing about this is using Echosec and its location-based insights to pull people's posts by location, we can make the information freely available to all members of the public. And it's interactive because I can click on it and I can see the longitude, the latitude, or the location, as well as the link itself. And if I wish to see it in full, the image, I simply open it in a new tab and I get the full-sized image. And finally, the final product came out much like this. Next year's program will have red beacons for the eagles, green for the osprey. But again, if I click on any of them, in this program here, I've included comments, location, and again the image. And if I right click and open it in a new tab, I can view it in full. The result has been all sorts of great new data and information on the bird species itself. as well as just a lot of enthusiasm in the public. So we have schools and we have groups that are walkers or what they call birders wishing to participate, a great deal of enthusiasm, and a whole lot of positive media coverage and PR outcomes for the conservation authorities. I'm Matt Richardson, and it's been my pleasure outlining this project for you today. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact Echosystems.